days ago, I went to a swap meet at the American Legion Hall, a little bit north of Cincinnati. I had made the rounds through the aisles several times before I saw this passenger car. I thought it would be out of my budget, and I don't own any K-line pieces, but the seller started telling me about this particular car. It comes with its original box, it's a little dusty, and the diaphragms at each end are shot, but is otherwise in pretty good shape. Cosmetically, in great shape actually, but it did have one operational problem. Two sets of road wheels and their axles were missing from one of the trucks that is supposed to have three. I recently was able to fix a Lionel observation car that also had trucks with missing axle assemblies, which wasn't too difficult at all. How different can axles be? They have to run on the same track. The best part was the seller had a price of $20 on the box, so I knew I would be bringing this home. But wait, it gets even better. The same seller had another passenger car for sale. This one is an observation car decorated in brown for Norfolk and Western. It's also in great shape, except for a slightly different problem with its rear truck assembly. It's not attached to the bottom of the car. It's only being held loosely by a few of the wires that connect the pickup rollers to the interior lighting. How hard can this possibly be to repair, especially when the two missing parts fell out of the truck when I got it home? But wait again, even some more, because it just keeps getting better. The seller had this listed for $20 too. I was almost afraid to ask, but I offered him $30 for the pair. He smiled, shrugged, and said, "Sure." And now we were both smiling. I decided to make one last loop through the tables, now with two giant boxed passenger cars under one arm. I was looking at a B&O boxcar when a different seller asked about my K-line purchase. I was still on a bit of a bargain buyer's high when I shared the price with him. He took a few steps to his right and pulled out yet another K-line heavyweight baggage car. This one for Baltimore and Ohio, which is my all-time favorite. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this model. The trucks are fine, the paint and graphics are like new, and it's not even dusty. I don't know if it's ever been on the tracks. It looks that good. These two rubber diaphragms were still in the box. I don't think they were ever installed. Check out the price tag, $65. Because of my earlier purchase from the earlier seller, he offered this to me also for $15. I was grinning from ear to ear. These sliding doors are a nice touch, even though the interior is lacking except for exposed wiring and the silhouettes. This next part may seem like bragging, and to be honest, it is. I couldn't help but look up comparable items for sale on eBay, and well, I scored a ton of bargains at the swap meet. I mean, really good deals. The cheapest price I could find for just one of these cars was $42.75, and I paid $45 for three, without having to pay shipping or sales tax. Because of the large scale length size and silhouetted riders within these cars, I'd say they fall somewhere between MTH Premier and the MPC era of Lionel passenger cars. It seems like K-Line did upgrade these at some point with full interiors, so they edged closer to MTH. But I'm extremely excited and happy with my three bargain passenger cars. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.